This is Tammy, the Glam Queen of DIY, and welcome back to the palettes. Today's video is my kitchen tour for Christmas 2020. You're going to get to see my kitchen renovated update, along with the Tablescape included in here as well. Alright, now without further ado, let's get into this Christmas 2020 kitchen tour. I hope you enjoyed what I created for this Christmas 2020 kitchen tour styling. Leave me a comment on what was your favorite thing that you saw. And again, make sure you check out my other room tours for this Christmas 2020 season. And you know your girl can't close out anything without letting you know. To always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.